fireworks. Yep. Right here. It's gonna be a light show. I'm super excited. Well, I mean, hey y'all. That's scared. She's scared, low key. You heard me? You think this? No, she ain't here. No, nothing. Never mind. Middle of the road. Yeah, it gotta be in the middle of the road. Did we get the other boxes?
What happened? What other box is this on hold?
That's the MILF.
What?
Man, I like fireworks.
I sure was like, I was like, what is this milk?
I finna say,
I was
crickets.
gonna clarify because that's literally the box.
Now you
Want something right there on that street.
on the front, right?
Yep.
All right.
Send it to
They will pop it up over there. All right, y'all. Let's roll. Let us roll.
Come on, Joe. If you go.
All right. So we are. I mean, y'all obviously see what we're doing. We are going down the street here. We're finna pop.
I'm like, what's gonna be the difference down here than right here?
I mean,
If somebody,
well, it's just more. It's less cars, man.
sit back. It's like that where the empty house, where the
We can do it literally right here in the middle. Where it's
the empty houses are over there.
over this way.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to. Jazz, you coming? Okay. Okay. So.
What are you talking about?
So I know. Look. I'm like
I ain't gonna
myself.
be able to keep up. You just did that.
No, we walking. So.
You need to get the cane. That's what you need to do.
So y'all, it is hot as crap out here. I ain't gonna lie. It's just humid. It ain't.
Yes, human.
It's humid. Hey y'all, I'm gonna be honest. This is our first time doing fireworks as in the neighborhood. We don't know yet. So once we do this today, we'll know for every year. All right. Okay. Let's try one. Okay. So first one we gonna do. Lord Jesus, I'm probably glistening like a donut. We're gonna do the boom boom. Okay, we're gonna do the boom boom. Real good, real simple. You know what I'm saying?
That's smart. That's smart.
Thanks, Obliv. Y'all be safe out there where you at. Speaking to everyone in chat, thank you so much. W, everybody.
Just stay here. Ain't no call.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wait, y'all.
Yeah.
I took this out 6 times, chat.
I just don't want to piss somebody off.
I was like,
I thought
so
so
this is
too,
not together.
but then I asked the
They're individual
or whatever.
Yeah.
They're individual.
Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Wait,
Yeah.
That's a long look. Oh, Lord.
get that out. What it is? There we go.
And then we put
Oh, can you get that paper off though? I appreciate you.
yes.
No. At the bottom. That paper.
Oh, this fake. Yeah.
No. This paper right there.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't see that. This way, camera people.
I didn't think about this being a camera one.
Yeah.
Sure.
I know. Hold on, kiddos. Y'all gotta stay back. Stay back.
Yeah, I can come right here.
Subs, if anybody. Okay, there we go. All right. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, y'all.
Woo!
Oh, that's it? I appreciate you, mommy. Okay. Chat, I know it's dark. Bear with me. That is what it's literally what it's called, chat. It's literally called milk. Man, I love fireworks. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Where
Okay, now I do.
Okay.
Oh, I think it was because he had to adjust the internet. That's all.
Oh.
Yeah.
Put your lights up.
Oh yeah, now get away from this.
Be careful, stop.
Stop. Yeah. Yeah.
Jesus, okay.
So we're in my backyard. And they could have been enjoying the show. I know. I hope they don't have HOA. Right. Listen, that's why I moved because one of our neighbors was looking, so I just wanted to be respectful to her. Got it. Thank you. So now we're doing the Roman candle. It's gonna be lit.
Pop the firecracker, you sweating. Check on it, check on it.
I love that I have a song.
I feel like it's hotter by your house than it was in the street.
You said what?
It's hotter by the house than it
Yeah.
was in the street.
Yeah, I know.
Can I set this on fire meanwhile?
Not him.
Why not?
Who the camera person? Oh, Zagway. No, I'm sorry.
You ready?
Mr. Chemist. Okay, let's see.
Can I set this on?
Right here. Let me see.
See you won't let me do it. Can I do this one?
Truck, y'all be saying. Not yet.
Why not?
Okay.
Okay, I'm doing it right here. I finna say if there's any complaints about the camera woman, I'm getting ate up by mosquitoes. Y'all welcome.
Oh no, she said I do that voice.
No,
Oh.
no, Jazzy.
I was finna say,
Hey,
I was finna say,
yo, gaming and grubbing.
I'm getting ate up.
No, it's okay.
It should be
It's
okay.
gonna fuse in. Thank you. Yeah. So while we getting this one together,
So you ain't gonna step back.
hold on. What the fluff?
That was sexy.
All right, that sound all right, y'all. We got it.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, y'all back it up. All right, do we have a lighter? Yes, sir. Oh my God! Cameraman, look! This is crazy! Bam!
Okay, you ready?
All right, y'all ready?
You got I got something.
Yeah, I got some keys.
Yeah, so-
Rip them out the plastic now. They blowing up the street. You finally came out. No, scary. No.
Yeah, what's the message?
I don't know. He edited. Say hello, Finesse. He listen. He looking.
Oh, that's what's up. Hey, Finesse. You should be here popping fireworks.
Hey, if y'all want Finesse, the producer here, just type in Finesse or add his name right now in the chats. All right. Let's get it.
Okay, you ready?
All right, y'all ready? All right. Boom! Oh,
that thing.
bro, what the fuck? Hey,
So pretty.
okay, it's pretty though.
I think I brought it.
Jordan, what you call those?
I call it miracle shots of Barack Obama.
Yeah, but like
Miracle shots of Barack Obama, babe.
Jordan, move out the way.
All right,
Well, okay.
I want to flow back there. I get. Yeah, I knew it was too close. You need to go to the. You need to go to the.
yeah, my foot is ate up.
Okay, so this is the Gorilla Jams. This is our next one we're gonna do. So we're gonna do this one next. We're gonna do Gorilla Jams.
I say do the lighthouse and then end it with the gorilla jam.
Okay. All right, y'all. We got it. All right. Dang, that's an echo. All right. Let's get it. All right, cameraman, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a fountain. That's cool. Sorry, y'all. That's it. I hope that's it, right? Okay. Okay. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay.
It's got to go down to every tier of the lighthouse.
Oh.
Oh, it's blinking now.
That's it, right? That's it, right? Okay.
Oh, wait, it's still lighting up.
It's not done?
No, look at it. It's not done. Now it's done.
Oh, thank God. Bro, I thought no cap. I was finna be worried, bro.
You and me both.
Bro, I was finna be like, bro. So we just gonna keep going. I'm finna light somebody up on fire.
Yo.
Cause I ain't gonna lie. It kind of got it was going everywhere. I guess everybody it wasn't tripping. So all right, y'all ready? You better get on this side, brother. All right. Gorilla Jams, y'all. Oh my God.
There we go.
That was it? Okay.
So that was it for everything.
Bless God. Because I was going to be like, 4th of July, folks.
Happy 4th.
You know? Did y'all eat barbecue today? If so,
It's still smoking.
who cooked?
Why?
What you cook? Where you cook? Did you make a plate? Did you bring it the plate?
Still smoking.
Anyway, type thing. And claimed it on insurance. Let me make sure. We finna burn up evil. We finna rob hell. Real talk. So with that, it's nine. It's 9 shots.
Like what an island?
I don't know.
Oh, see, I don't know what that's gonna do. I randomly picked it out.
Flaming balls. Yo, Sweat, I know we usually hold the ball. You know, Jordan got.
Oh, that was fire. They want violence. They go over there. We ain't got nothing else.
Hi, family. How to cook out and car. You forgot the car and the cars. Yes. All right. So we finna blow this one up right quick. It's a smaller one, so it may not be as big, but hey, you never know. Oh, oh. That's, oh. Oh, man.
So they trying to outdo you. Nigga.
Chat.
And that was that little one.
We got 3 more of these. I'm just a child.
That's wild. That's real wild.
It's so wild of me to say. How did I fix my mouth? I just turned 30 last week. And I'm over here talking gibberish.
Yes, you
You must say you're a young old man now.
Pretty soon you're gonna be Unc status.
Hey, Unc.
Right.
Hey, kids already born in the 2000s. Be calling us unks. Yeah, I said 2000s. Fight me. Oh, false alarm? Never mind, false alarm. You gonna do it all at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, chat.
All right. Yeah, you just know what it is.
I'm gonna just say this. Yes. So, Big Brother JWG is gonna light this up. He's lighting them both at the same time. You can show them. Look at him. This one. Get away, Corey! Get away! Oh! Oh! No! 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 No!
I've been hit.
Don't light it. Don't light it.
Like I legit got hit in the knee.
What a cat at? What is he doing? Bro. Hey,
I just got hit in the knee.
on my mother, on Mama JWG, I swear I thought my nipples was gone because I said, "Oh Lord." Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's. No, y'all did not see it though. It was in slow motion. It did this. It said, boom. And all I was like, oh no! I thought I was gone. Okay. So never shoot this without the
Without the pan.
Okay. Hey, they clipped. Hey, they clipped it. Hold on. Where that? Oh my gosh. Here it is. Yeah. I said. Hold on. It was slow motion. You shot me running. Look. They got a shot me running.
No,
Look at this.
nobody was looking at you. They was looking at us.
Just closed in. I can't. Lord. I saw that blown up. Oh my God.
Damn. Everything was gone. I was gonna be like, hey, chat, it's been a nice stream, nice life.
Whose idea was to light it like that?
I think. Just hit your head back there.
Man, we'll never know. We'll never know. I ain't gonna lie to you. That was fun though. Oh, y'all bullied him to come? Did you just come on your own? Or did they bully you to come here?
I can't.
They did.
Yeah, I can't.
I told him to.
Yeah, y'all in time out after that.
He's smiling.
Oh, you cussed? Oh, I'm sorry.
He said, bring him.
You said no more. Hey,
No,
thank you, Jazzy Kizzle, for the gift this sub. Let's get it. Happy 4th of July.
Lauren not back up here though.
Yeah, going down. Going down the road, you ain't got enough room to run.
Going down there. Say hi, your mama.
All right, we got it, chat.
We got one.
All right, cool. 3, 2. Yes. Oh my gosh, that felt good. The right way.
The right.
Wait, that's what
room out here for real.
on me.
It's too many like little, but just pick up whatever like you can see from a distance. Like, yeah.
We gotta be like the Japanese, clean up the stadium.
That's right. Clean up. Everybody do it. Yep. Yep. In Japan, they do that.
Yep. Yeah. For the World Cup, literally they were all their games they played. They cleaned up the stadium.
Best as I could, cause other stuff will just blow away. Yeah. Hey, y'all, I had a blast with the fireworks show.
Oh, you got to a clip for sure. I watched it myself.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. That right there was mad funny. I ain't gonna hold you. I was over here like, Chad, are we gonna be on burn? Are we gonna be on fire? Chad. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's head in and let's get it. Let's get it.
Damn, I just raced.
Okay, I got it.
No.
Put it down here. That's the only thing.
Hold on, let me go out there and light some water.